Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a pack with me because this weekend I'm going to a mountain house. So I'm going from Friday to Tuesday morning. I only went there once last year and it was really fun, and apparently there's like a lot more renovations now. Like last time I went there was like we just had like a mattress and there was no shower or bathroom or anything, but now yeah, they have that there, and there's no service either, which is like a really nice detox to just be in the mountains for 4 days with no service. So yeah, pretty sure there's like a couple places you can go like if you really need it. And yeah, I just thought, I kind of forgot to like plan a video. Like the timing came up so fast, I was like, wait, I'm literally leaving tomorrow morning, so yeah, this will probably be up like a little bit late, so sorry about that. I got my coffee. I don't even know what time it is, to be honest. It is 12:51. I'm always like exposed to what music I'm listening to when I like put the time. I'm listening to Kesha right now, but anyway. So this is my laundry hamper, I guess, and it's full, so yeah, let's go downstairs and do that. Also, I painted my nails gray. All right, we are in the laundry room. I'll show you what it looks like. Also, sorry if you can hear that. The people that like mow our lawn are here right now, but this is our washer and dryer. So yeah, I'm just gonna put everything in here into the washer. Do you like my outfit? Okay, then we have to get a Tide Pod. We keep them in here. Oh. And then we just put it in there. Oh, actually, I always forget. My mom said that you can just put it right in there. So I'm just gonna do that. And then you close it, control on, and then I do normal, and then hold to start. And then it's gonna take 40 minutes. So we can just wait till that's all done. And I gotta put my mason jar in the dishwasher. Oh my gosh, wait, I got this for my mom for Mother's Day. This movie, am I okay? This game is literally so fun. Let's go upstairs and make a list because I can like bring games, and then I also need like toiletries and clothes, like different categories, you know? And what I'm gonna bring like for the car ride, I'm pretty sure it's like 5 hours. I don't really remember. All right, we are back in my room and I have my notebook. This is what I use for like everything, like journaling, lists. I guess that's about it, but like, yeah. So I'm gonna write, okay, clothes, toiletries, carry on. I'm acting like I'm like going on a flight, and activities. We basically like just nothing fancy, like we live in like t-shirts and exercise shorts. I'm gonna say sweatshirts. I'll bring 2 of those. Sweatpants, t-shirts, shorts, one cute outfit. Oh, sports bra / socks. Oh yeah, and then let's say sneakers and flip-flops. I think that's, oh, bathing suits. So I'm gonna bring 2 of those, and I think that should be good. And then toiletries, we have toothbrush with toothpaste, brush plus hair ties. Oh, makeup. Probably won't use that, but we can just bring it. Oh yeah, toner, face wash, moisturizer. I'll just put shower stuff if I need it. I don't know. Okay, carry on, we can put charger plus phone. What else do I even need? Oh yeah, I'm just bringing my wallet in case. Oh, headphones. Oh, maybe like a blanket. And then activities, I'm gonna say cards. Oh, and I want to bring my coloring book. And I think that's all I can think of. For now, that looks good. So this is my whole list. So since the clothes and stuff are in the laundry, or some that I may need, we can just start out with toiletries. So I'm in my bathroom. Yeah, I have this big, well, I'll show you. This is what I have so far. Kind of a mess, so I have to organize that. So first thing on here is toothbrush and toothpaste. So this is my toothbrush. I also have this toothpaste, but this is the one my brothers use too. So I'm gonna see if I have another in here. Oh yeah, I have a mini one. That's good. So brush and hair ties. This is the brush that I have. And then I have I have scrunchies because that's like its own kind of thing. And then I have these elastics for braids and stuff. Oh yeah, and then also to go with my hairbrush, I always have this detangler that I just always use when my hair is wet. This sea spray that is good when my hair is wet. And this, which makes my hair not frizzy. So kind of a lot of stuff, but I feel like my hair is gonna be wet a lot, so we don't want it to be like crazy. Toner, face wash, and moisturizer. I'm gonna bring this moisturizer. Oh no, some of the letters fell off, but this is the one that I use. And then I'm gonna bring this lotion that's supposed to help with acne. Yeah, I use that every night. I'm just gonna bring these toner pads. And this is my moisturizer that I use for my arms. I'm like, oh my gosh, I use so much stuff I didn't even realize. Oh, face wash. I'm gonna bring the one that goes with the moisturizer, so I can put that in there. Okay, so that is these 2 bags. I don't need shower stuff, so I can cross that off. I can just put, this is like its own bag, you know, so I can just put, or wait, I'm actually just gonna bring this, which is my makeup eraser. It's like a rag, I don't know, like a little towel, and it just takes your makeup off. So, and then I can use the toner things to get the rest off if this doesn't do it all. Okay, this is all my toiletries. That was actually pretty easy. Okay, it has now been a while. It is 3:01 and my laundry is done. I still have to fold it, but I had lunch and I just like took a break. So now on to, I could start clothes right now, but I think I'm just gonna do my carry-on. So I have all that stuff next to me, what I'm like planning on bringing. So yeah, this is my charger, and obviously I'll just have my phone with me. I actually have headphones and a little flashlight. I want to carry, it's kind of like, you know, like emergency stuff. I want to carry like pepper spray too. I used to have some. I don't know where it went, and I remember one time I sprayed myself with it, so maybe not the smartest for me to have that, but you know, I feel like that'd be good to have. And then blanket and pillow. All right, this is the little bag that I'm gonna use. I keep a plastic bag in here like for trash and stuff. Aw, there's a flower that Laura picked up when we were on a walk. Oh, I also have a book, and I'm gonna bring this journal when I'm done. Hand sanitizer, necessity, sunglasses too. And then let me get my wallet. This is my wallet, so I can just put that in there. My carry-on is done. I'm gonna go get What Do You Meme and then a coloring book and cards. So all that is downstairs, so I'm just gonna go bring that real quick. Okay, I am back and I have, I'm out of breath, colored pencils with the coloring book. And then I have cards and the game. Ugh, I don't feel like doing this. All right, the first thing on here is sweatshirts. This is where I keep them. It's not very organized, but it's like these two. Oh, I like this one here. I'm just gonna, oh my gosh, I wanna bring my ball too. Okay, I just need like stuff to play with. I like this one. Oh, I really like this school football one, and then also my friends. Okay, actually I think I'm gonna bring these two because they're just like better. I'm probably gonna bring like everything in my laundry basket, honestly. Oh yeah, and sports bras, I'm gonna bring these two sports bras. And then I keep my socks in here, so I'm just gonna bring the like mini Nike ones, but also then just these plain socks. I definitely have my favorite ones. These are Cindy's, which I really like. Everything is inside out. I'm such a mess. I like these blue ones from Target. I'm just gonna bring 3 then. I like these Nike ones. I think I'm gonna bring this gray one. I like this one from school. That's enough of that. Gray shorts, so I'll bring those for pajamas. And also these shorts I wear a lot. Sneakers and flip-flops, so I'm gonna bring, I think my other flip-flops will be downstairs, but I'm just gonna bring these ones. They're like old and beat up, so I can just bring those. And then 2 bathing suits and a cute outfit. For my cute outfit, I think I'm just gonna bring a pair of denim shorts. So I'll bring these ones. I can just bring this. Oh my gosh, literally inside out. Yeah, I tried on a ton of my clothes yesterday, and then I put them all back late at night, so I just like put them on the hangers inside out. But yeah, I'll just bring this shirt to wear with it. Oh, this is my favorite bathing suit, this pink one, so I can bring that one. I don't even know, Laura gave me this one. Maybe I'll bring that one too. All right, this is everything that I'm gonna try and fit into that duffel bag. So I think I'm just gonna make like a little montage because I don't really know what to say while I'm doing it, so yeah. Okay, I am all done. It was kind of hard to fit some of it, but this is all my clothes and toiletries, and then this is my carry-on, and then this is like all the activities with the games and notebooks and stuff. Oh, and I had to put one of my toiletry bags in here. It's definitely like extra for 4 days. I know I'm about to be in like the same t-shirt and shorts literally the whole weekend, but it's just good to have. So yeah, that is gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed me packing. I don't know if it was boring, but it's gonna be a nice little vlog, you know, it's what I'm doing today. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys later.